Loves a woman who solves a problem and helps her country at the same time. Clapping hands, medium skin tone. Raising hands, medium skin tone. Betty White, what can I say? I am one badass bitch. Please, Steve. A year and a half ago, I bought a bike and started riding it. Today, I finished my first sprint triathlon. The kind of love that lasts forever. Cat makes everything better. Let's love our Eeyore friends. What a selfless gift to give. Grew up looking like the image on the left. Hate myself. Rampant insecurities with my body. Dumped a month ago. Was having nervous breakdowns about my future. Got scouted by a prominent modeling agency in my country 2 days ago off the picture I posted on my Instagram on the right. All the love for Keanu. Spread some love. You were gorgeous then and now. Congratulations on your hard work. Less than 3. Giving time to our children is very important and they will forever cherish it. My little man is cancer-free. Smiley face. Everyone needs a hug sometimes. 3 years ago today I was sentenced to 5 years in dock for marijuana cultivation and distribution. Coincidentally, it was also the last time I used meth after a 15-year nightmare life abusing it. I'm 59. Clean and happy finally. Don't do drugs. Kids. Respect. Smiley face. Don't give up. They shared a good sense of humor. Russell, the guide dog, was with owner Michael Hinkson on September 11, 2001 at the 78th floor of WTC when terrorists attacked the building. She guided her blind owner to the stairs. Then through the thick smoke and panic, calmly led 30 people down to safety. Dogs are love. Pretty wholesome. A sense of relief. Let this be an inspiration to all of us that it's never too late for our dreams to come true. My best friend and love of my life said yes last night. Cannoli foot. This made me ah. Giving can make you happy. Congrats, keep up the good work. The first time I got to hold my daughter. It's Suicide Awareness Day. This is the last picture I ever got with my sister. She took her life 3 years ago. But every time I look at this picture I'm just grateful this was our last memory together. She was happy. We don't deserve Mom's heart. I couldn't think of anything better on my cake day to farm for karma. So here is a picture of my cousin getting married in Italy today. It did, in fact, make me smile. The sweetest flower girl. My brother came to the restaurant I work at earlier. I came home to find this. Yesterday I asked the girl of my dreams to be my girlfriend and she said yes. Black heart. 4 years clean of heroin. 4 years off of everything. If I can do it you can. I believe in you. This quokka though. Juicy cherry from baking polymer clay made by me. Chunk Norris. Found 2 handsome stuffies. If you need a smile, just look at Jazzy's. Our sweet girl now runs and jumps. Just in time for her 10th birthday tomorrow. From the rough street to a pampered charm life, meet Philip Fluffin Collins. He looks like a good dadpa. Kid wanted a dog. Had to do good at the Olympics. She won. When the president heard, he gave her a dog. This just shows the good in people. Home. My cat hugging my arm. I was bullied for the first 15 years of my life. Had mediocre parents. Suffered from social anxiety and body dysmorphia. This picture is from my last concert 4 days ago. I am the one with the guitar. At 35 why? Oh, I think I am happy. The future's going to be wild. She always knows what I need less than 3. Best friend's smiling face.